The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
आप सोच रहे होंगे ना, आज मैं आते ही मैं खाना पका रही हूँ and there are no other people who are sharing their recipes because it's a special day. आज ईद स्पेशल है यार, और जब भी हम किसी फेस्टिवल की बात करें और मीठे की बात ना हो, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। और फिर मुझे लगा कि इतनी सारी मीठे की डिशेस ऑलरेडी have got showcased on the show. So something that we often make at home and we make it with ingredients which are always available at home. तो क्यों ना कुछ ऐसा बनाया जाए, इसलिए आज मैं बना रही हूँ आटे का हलवा, जिसे हम कड़ा प्रसाद भी बोलते हैं। So this I've made with Pillsbury Gold Atta, which is always at our homes, right? And such a quick recipe. We need only sugar, water, and our gold atta, and ghee, and some dry fruits of your choice. So आटा भूनते रहना है, and जैसे ही आटा आप ऐड कर दें तो आपको सिम कर देनी है गैस। मैंने घी बिल्कुल ही घर की बात समझ के डाल दिया है। So we'll use a little bit of more of आटा, and side by side मैंने already पानी में चीनी डाल दी है और उसको मैं उबाल रही हूँ so that it's ready when we have to add water. So मीठा already घुल के तैयार है, because आटे में और सूजी में सिर्फ इतना फर्क है कि आप इसके लम्प्स नहीं बनने दे सकते। So हमें भूनते रहना है until it turns light brown. और I prefer and even women in my family prefer कि आटा जो है वो धीरे धीरे ऐड करना चाहिए, एक साथ डालते हैं तो उसके लम्प्स बन जाते हैं। And I think this was my final addition. And at any point of time you feel that आटा ज़्यादा घी कम लग रहा है, you can definitely change the proportion. कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा घी वाला खाना पसंद है, like even I do. But ये घुमाते रहना है, and I'm also gonna break 1 or 2 cardamoms in it क्योंकि इलायची का एक flavor सा आ जाता है. We're also gonna add a little bit of इलायची powder. I add very little. I don't like too much. I like to crack 2 इलायचीज though. अगर आपको लगे कि जिस तरह से थोड़ा सा lumpy हो रहा है, you can add a little more ghee in it so that the texture remains a little flowy, you know. हलवे में घी की कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. And we are almost done. My halwa is ready. I'm so happy how this halwa has turned out, and such a quick recipe. And that is what I love about Pillsbury Gold Atta, that not only I get to eat this tasty, tasty halwa, but rotis made out of it stay fresh for more than 6 hours. After all, शरबती whole wheat से जो बना है ये flour. उसके अलावा मुझे ये कहना है कि this is what I've made for all of you. क्योंकि ईद पर बिना मीठे बात नहीं बनती, right? और वो कहते हैं ना कि हर तरफ दावते नज़ारा है, चश्मे हैरान किधर देखें। अभी तो शो पर बहुत कुछ बाकी है, and we're gonna share those recipes too. My name is Yachna and you are watching The Family Kitchen Season 2, the perfect recipe of love and food, powered by Pillsbury Gold Atta in association with Goody and Noor Oil.
Hello, I'm Javed.
And I'm Shagufta Sheikh, and he happens to be my husband.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
We have been married for like, how many years now?
Oh, not again. It's like Canadian weather. Married for 30 years feels like 40.
Not 30, 29.
29. This June will be 30.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we've been married for 29 years, and most of our lives we have lived here in UAE. Cooking is our passion. We enjoy cooking together.
We got to know about this amazing couple, and now it's time to know about the 2 amazing recipes that are getting unfolded on the show. On today's very special episode of Eid. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak to you too.
So Shagufta, who's going to cook first?
I'll be cooking first.
And what are you cooking for us?
Today I'm planning to cook, to make a nice barley soup for you. The reason for that is that he's always making soups. He's very passionate about making soups and smoothies. So he's doing that all the time for me. So today I think I should take the opportunity to prepare a soup for him, and he's too good in soups. He can make soup out of anything. So I want to show him that yes, even I can make good soups for him.
Oh, that's smart way of doing it, huh? You took the easy one out, so you left the main meal for me.
Okay, yes, actually you could say that. Yeah.
No issue.
So what we have with us here now is, this is a mixture of barley,
Okay.
Chickpeas, red kidney beans, some lentils and some rice. I have soaked that overnight.
Overnight.
Overnight, at least 8 hours.
Okay.
Okay, and that's yogurt. This is sliced onions.
Okay.
This is shredded chicken, some sour cream, chopped garlic, salt, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, chicken stock,
and a lot of green.
And lot of greens that has coriander leaves, parsley, mint leaves, and dill.
We'll get to know about the recipe, but after a short break.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Welcome back, guys. My name is Yachna and you are watching The Family Kitchen Season 2, the perfect recipe of love and food, powered by Pillsbury Gold Atta in association with Goody and Noor Oil. And we are ready, Shagufta, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
So we'll start with boiling this.
Okay.
So we'll put that in a pan, or you can pressure cook it.
Okay.
Okay, so now this goes in here, and we'll add some turmeric powder to this, around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and a couple of teaspoons of oil.
Like 2, 3 or 2.
Yeah, 2 to 3, around 1 tablespoon. And now what we do is, we pour enough water, and then we cover it with a lid. Okay, now that this is boiling, till that time we will fry some onions.
Okay.
We'll take some oil, or instead of oil, we can even take clarified butter, that's pure ghee.
Okay.
This is around 5 to 6 tablespoons.
Okay.
And this we'll add the 1 sliced onion.
Okay.
And to this we'll add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. We'll add to this.
Okay.
And we'll let this fry till the onions turn golden. Okay. So by the time onions are getting golden, I think this is boiled now.
Okay.
So we'll open this and with this whisk it. Okay.
So who cooks more often at home?
We do everything together. We could say we have a very good rapport. So without actually telling each other, we complement each other. And that's a very good thing, I feel, because we both are equally passionate about cooking. And till now, we have created like very, very good dishes. A fusion of other dishes to suiting our palate, how we can just make some difference to it, some changes, and it actually turns out to be really good and really very tasty. So yeah, that's a bonding time for us. So now we have whisked this. So to this we will now add the herbs. Now we have
All the green goes
all
into
the greens go in that.
Okay.
So it's like half a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, half a cup of parsley, and dill is according to taste. I have taken a quarter of a cup because that has a very strong aroma.
Yes.
So
you
we
go
have
a
to be
little lighter
careful.
on
We
that.
go a little lighter on that, yeah. So we add the herbs
Okay.
and we add the chicken stock as well.
This
Yep.
is
Chicken
right
stock.
here,
Yeah.
ready.
Okay. There goes the
Done
chicken
with this.
stock. And we season it with salt and pepper powder because there's no salt at all in this. The chicken stock has some salt. So we have to be careful with the salt.
Salt has to be.
Yeah, because the chicken stock already has salt. And we'll add some black pepper powder as well. Around 1 teaspoon.
Wow.
Yeah, black
The
pepper
herbs
powder.
are really turning the aroma on.
Okay. And now we let it cook for like around 10 minutes.
Okay.
We want the herbs to get completely
Absorbed.
absorbed, yeah. And after this is boiled, then we will add the yogurt, the sour cream,
And the
and
chicken.
the chicken. Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
finally
then
we
this
put
is the
the
last
onions.
step.
This is the last step. We'll be mixing all of them together.
Okay. This
So
has
I
to be
think
like
this is-
proper golden
okay,
brown.
this is done. This is
This is done.
Yeah, so we'll just keep it on one side. Okay, so this has been boiling for around 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we
Now add
start
all
we-
the stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
So we add around
First
like
goes
4 tablespoons maybe of yogurt. We can whisk it first. But now I'll just whisk it in this. There's like 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of sour cream.
Okay. That's a lot of creamy texture going into it.
Yes. And the shredded chicken.
Which we had boiled and shredded and kept ready.
Let this come to a boil.
And then we add the onions
And then
in the
we
end.
add the onions in the end. That's right, yeah.
And because the chicken is kept shredded, so it's not going to take much time.
Because it's
ready
already cooked chicken.
Yeah.
So that's the reason we don't add it before. Because it'll get overcooked.
So now only the cooked
so
onions are
only
getting
the
added.
cooked onions will be added and the soup is ready once we add that. So okay, so now this has come to a boil. So we'll take the onions. to this.
There goes our final ingredient.
The final ingredient, and yes, the soup is ready.
Wow.
You need to whisk it a little because of the curd.
Yeah, I'll just need to whisk it a little bit. It's preferable to whisk the yogurt before we put it
Beforehand.
in.
Beforehand.
Yes.
Because of the lumpy texture that it forms.
Yes.
Okay.
As you can see, it looks good. It's all done.
Healthy, appetizing, amazing soup is ready.
Yes.
The aroma of the soup is so amazing. I'm waiting to now taste.
Sure.
तो कौन पहले जावेद क्योंकि वो तो घर पे आपको मौका मिलता ही है. Who do you think should go first?
Okay, one more thing is
पहले
that
आप ना
maybe you can just squeeze some lemon juice on top before having it.
If
So,
you- okay.
yeah, if you so desire, it's
Okay.
according to your taste.
Okay.
But it definitely adds to the taste.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So who goes first?
You
I think
go first.
okay, you should be going first.
सबके
Yeah.
अपने अपने स्पून हाथ में है. This is epic.
Try कर सकते हैं ना?
Absolutely.
It's safe.
बिना डरे.
I think
और
I'll
अब तो
also
मैं
just-
पहला टेस्टर
अब
थी, अब
मैं
आप
वही
सेफ हैं. अच्छा, इसीलिए मुझे पहले जगाया गया है.
Oh, the soup was very good. I have tasted this soup it's a very regular, this preparation is quite regular, but what she has done with her speciality, and I can tell you frankly, she is a very good cook. There are some dishes which I will always have it through her hand, and this is one of the soup which was really great. I really loved it, and it's the love that comes out of it. She prepares something special for you. Thanks a lot for the soup. I really enjoyed it.
It's my pleasure.
Well, thank you so much for sharing this recipe with us. But abhi round 2 baki hai. Shagufta is done with her soup, but now we'll get to see what Javed has for us in store. But uske liye thoda sa intezar. Milte hain choti si break ke us paar.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Welcome back, guys. My name is Yachna and you are watching The Family Kitchen Season 2, the perfect recipe of love and food, powered by Pillsbury Gold Atta in association with Goody and Noor Oil. Now let's see, after Shagufta, what Javed has in store for us.
Today I'm thinking of doing something special. It's something that I have tasted in Germany. It's called cabbage roll. You can make out of mutton mince, but I'm going to do it with what we have today is only chicken mince. I'll make it chicken. You love also chicken.
Yes, I
So I'm going to prepare. It's in very good, nice white sauce. It's a fusion. I'm doing a little twist so that we get our Indian taste in it little on that one.
I'm going to get to know why you chose to cook this one, but take us through the ingredients first.
Okay, so the ingredients over here, what we have is the chicken mince. We have got olive oil, pepper and salt for seasoning. We have got 2 onions which are finely chopped. Bread over here. This is parsley, cornstarch. We have got milk, egg, butter. This is chicken stock. This is celery. This is red chili flakes. We have got chopped garlic and cooking cream. Plus we have got the leaves of cabbage which are pre-boiled. Start with, we'll take the mincemeat.
Shagufta, tell me, why has he chosen this dish?
It's my favorite. We have actually, whenever we have traveled, we have tried different cuisines.
Yes.
And then we felt that, okay, there are some dishes that we enjoy eating and some it's not suitable to our palate, but it seems to be an interesting dish.
Of course.
So we
So you do modify
yeah,
it
a little. We
bit,
just modify it a bit and try to keep the actual flavors in that.
Intact.
Yeah, and intact. And that's how we actually start, because we both love cooking.
Okay.
We both are very passionate about
So is it like a
cooking.
weekend thing where
Yeah,
you
it's a
both get
weekend
into
thing,
the
yes.
chicken?
Every weekend we plan out something and then we try it out. It doesn't always come out good, but then if it doesn't come out good, we keep trying.
Yes.
This is one thing I think I'll enjoy. So that's why
Okay.
he said, okay, I want to try. I want to do this for you.
I'm sure you are going to enjoy this.
Because it seems interesting, like
One
in
of
white
the-
sauce.
One of the good dish. This is actually cabbage roll is made almost all over the world. If you go to China, you will find it with the soya sauce and all.
Okay.
If you go to Europe, it is with white sauce.
Huh.
If you come to Middle East, it is with tomato sauce.
Yes, that
so
is.
you can make it in either way, whichever way you want to do it. So now what we are doing is we have taken this mince and now we
Bread
have
has been soaked earlier with water and now with milk.
yeah. So we just take the milk out so that our mince does not become too soggy.
Okay.
And we can discard the milk. This is not required.
Okay.
So we do that. I
Then we
think
mash.
I'll use a hand here little.
Go for it.
So it looks better this way, and we can do a better job.
ऐसे जैसे एशियन पैलेट्स को कुछ चीजें सूटेबल नहीं है यूरोपियन, वैसे मुझे लगता है कि गोइंग इन विद द हैंड्स इज समथिंग व्हिच आई थिंक दिस
It gives life a little easy. Now I have added the onions also on this one. So more or less all our ingredients are in place. So now we just take some part of it out because we are going to use this part of this in sauce separately,
Okay.
and then we make rolls out of it. This is the last of the portion that we divided. Our
Okay.
mix all are done. This is finished, and then we'll start making the rolls.
ओके
Okay, so let's start making the rolls. So you take this
Cabbage leaf.
cabbage leaves. On this one, you take
Okay.
this one. over
स्टफिंग
here.
दैट वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड ऑलरेडी.
Prepare, yeah, and then you roll. You take the leaves from the side.
Do we need these now?
Yeah. So once you roll like this, you take the toothpick and you lock them up. Yeah. So here is one. Then
One.
you do the second one.
So Eid पर do you prefer cooking yourself when you invite friends over?
We
or
normally-
is it like order in?
No. We want to cook ourselves.
Okay.
Because it's always good to make the traditional biryani.
Of course.
Along with some sides, something
It can't be
interesting.
Eid if you don't
it
cook
is-
biryani. Come on.
Absolutely.
मेरे लिए तो शीर खोरमा भी उतना ही जरूरी है.
And we love having like many guests at
Yes.
home. So, it's not Eid without meeting.
This is our rolls. Now
These are done
all the
and
cabbage rolls are ready. So now we'll start the cooking part of the.
yes, the pan
So
is
we take the
heated
pan
and ready.
and we put olive oil
Okay.
and we'll put some butter in it. On this we'll add the garlic. We'll fry the garlic first. And then we'll put the celery.
Okay.
This gives a very nice flavor
Okay.
to the sauce, and we'll fry the onions till they
The
become
second portion of
yeah,
onions.
the second portion of onion. We'll wait till this becomes translucent.
Okay. So we've kept this a little bit of the mix for this.
Yeah, for this, because when you add it in the sauce, the sauce gets a very nice flavor along with that.
Okay. And this is
This is parsley.
a happy amount.
Yeah. This all goes in the sauce, so the sauce gets a very nice flavor. Now we'll add the mince also,
Okay.
and we'll cook the mince for a minute. Before then, we start frying our cabbage rolls.
Okay.
Now we'll start putting the rolls. Here we just have to brown them up from all the side,
Okay.
so they get a very nice color, brown
Okay.
color from all the four sides.
Okay.
And then we'll add the chicken stock and the cooking cream on it.
Okay.
So you can see our frying is almost more or less complete.
Yeah.
You can see a very nice
Yes.
brown color has come on top of it.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is now we'll add chicken stock on this one.
Okay.
So we add chicken stock. And then we add some cooking cream. So this gives a very nice
Texture, creamy texture to the
creamy
whole thing.
texture to the whole thing.
Okay.
And we can add this to our desired level.
So we now simmer it a
So
little?
now we
like
simmer
boil
it. We,
Okay.
because we are using chicken mince, it should not take more than 10 minutes to cook. If you use mutton mince, it may take around 20-25 minutes to cook. So
Yes.
depending on which mince you are using.
Okay.
But we cover it up right now for some time.
Okay. And then we wait.
And then we
But we have to prepare something else.
once we remove this rolls out, then liquid which is left below will create a very nice sauce out of it.
Oh, Oh, okay.
And then the same thing can be used to eat along with the rolls.
Amazing.
So we are just 5-7 minutes away,
Okay.
and then we'll finish our dish. I think our rolls are cooked.
Okay.
Let's have a look.
Smells great.
Yes. So now what we'll do is we'll take them out. So
Okay.
this is done. Now we'll have a look at the sauce.
So have you tried the variations of it with other meats as well? Like you said, mutton mince ke saath bhi
Yeah,
ban-
I normally prefer with the mutton mince, but this time today I'm making it for
Chicken.
Shagufta, so it is with chicken.
You prefer
I
chicken?
prefer chicken to mutton. Yes.
Ah, okay. Okay.
We have added this and we'll let it simmer for some time till it becomes a little thick. And depending on our taste, I'm not adding any more salt because we already
We added?
use chicken stock.
Yes.
Chicken stock has got a lot of salt inside, and while we're mixing the meats, that time we added the salt. So
Okay.
I don't think unless we feel, but we can add little bit of pepper so that it will give a little tanginess. Once it comes to the boil, it becomes a little thick because of the corn flour, and then we can put the rolls back, cook it for a little minute, and it is ready for eating.
So आप दोनों ही इतने skilled हैं at cooking. So is it also used as one of those tactics कि किसी का mood खराब है तो let me set it right या लड़ाई हो गई तो let's set it right. I know the favorite dish.
I learned cooking because I don't enjoy the restaurant food too much.
Ah,
So
okay.
if she has gone out or somewhere, I prefer to cook myself. Actually, I learned cooking from quite early in my age. As family, we always believed that person should be, whether it's a boy or a girl, they should know how to do the basic cooking at home. So I used to cook on my own before I got married. That was a pleasure. After I got married, I stopped cooking. You see, our sauce is more or less thickened out,
Smelling great.
smelling great.
So now the next step is, are we adding them?
We just put them back here so
Okay.
that they absorb further some flavor of it, and we just simmer it for a minute, and we are ready.
Okay. So just like a little while.
Yeah. The dish is ready.
And the last
So,
finishing touch
last-
is left.
So
A little
let's see
slicing is
how
needed.
does it look.
Okay, Javed is being really, really nice and cutting tiny bites for us to taste.
I actually loved the way he made it because I was enjoying how he was actually making the rolls and how he was cooking it, because normally we do things together. So when he was doing it alone, I was finding him rather cute doing all that. So when I was tasting it, I honestly don't know whether it actually was tasting that great, except that I was happier that you had made it for me. But yeah, it was tasting good.
It was tasting
It
good.
was tasting
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Thank you so much for cooking such an amazing dish for us. And
Oh,
actually,
yeah.
I'm going to try my hands at it. I don't know whether it'll turn out as nice. मुझे पूरे number
It's actually very
मिलेंगे या नहीं.
simple dishes,
But
yeah.
thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, you're
Our
most
pleasure.
welcome.
Especially
Enjoyed
on this
very
Eid
much
special,
enjoyed.
it's a new dish that I've learned. And you know, whenever we think of Eid, we think of gatherings of friends and our special ones. And this one truly adds to the selection of recipes that we have showcased on this show. आज के एपिसोड की ये दोनों रेसिपीज आई होप आपने बहुत एंजॉय की. We're gonna meet you next week with some new recipes and with some new people and their bonding over food. This is याचना signing off. अब मुलाकात होगी अगले हफ्ते. Bye bye. लेकिन जाने से पहले एक बार फिर से आप सबको ईद मुबारक.